Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Erba Ferritin system pack. So guys, as you can see, the Ferritin system pack comes with the main kit, and it also comes with three additional packs. These two are control and this one is a calibrator. Let me just keep this at the side, and I'll explain to you later. So guys, as you can see, this is the Erba Ferritin system pack of pack size 2 into 14.5 ml, 2 into 7.7 ml. As you can see, the catalog number here is 121948. You can find the manufacturing address here. So see here, you can see it has an expiry of 2 years. So let me show you the other side. This is the top view and this is the front view of the box. So this is the other side. As you can see here, there are the details of it. So this is the back view of it, and this is the other side. You can also find certain numbers here. It contains like two reagents. Reagent 1 is 2 into 14.5 ml and reagent 2 is 2 into 7.7 ml. This is a cold chain product. It needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. It is an IVD certified product. It has a standard expiry of 2 years, and you can find the manufacturing address here. And let me show you the calibrators and the controls. So this is the Ferritin high control. So you can see it is a pack size of 1 into 1 ml. You can see the catalog number here, 121951. And it also has a standard expiry of 2 years. You can find the manufacturing address here. So this is the kit. You can find it here. This is the reference number. The content, it's also cold chain. It needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can find the lot and the expiry here. It is an IVDC certified product. So this is about the high control, Ferritin high control. So let me keep this aside. So this is the Ferritin control low. It also has a pack size of 1 into 1 ml. This product code is 121950. You can find it also has a standard expiry of 2 years. You can find the manufacturing address here. And apart from that, it also has a content of 1 into 1 ml, and this is also the cold chain process. You can find the lot and the expiry here. C certified IVD product. So this is the Ferritin calibrator of 1 into 1 ml. You can find the product code here, 121949. It's one quantity box. You can find the manufacturing address here, and you can see the expiry over here. So apart from that, it also has a product content of 1 into 1 ml. This is the reference number and the lot number of it. It's also a C certified IVD product. You can see the 2 to 8 degrees Celsius here, which means it's a cold chain. So guys, this is the overall Ferritin system pack from Erba. This is the pack. So this comes with an additional 2 controls, one high control and one low control, and again there will be one calibrator. So this is the calibrator. So guys, this is the unboxing of Ferritin system pack from Erba. Thank you.